All right, ladies and gentlemen, the foldable table 49-inch has arrived. I'm looking forward to this one. Now, do keep something in mind is Amazon actually shipped it in the manufacturer's box. So instead of putting the box inside of a box, which they normally do, they just ship the box. So be careful knifing into the box because it's just a very thin piece of plastic and you don't want to put a utility knife into your bag. So just be careful opening the box. Once you have it, we're looking absolutely fantastic. Zippers. We have handles on the outside here and here, as you can see, for easy accessibility. It is actually very thin once it's all folded up, as you can see from my hand here, which is great for van life, camping, etc. for storage. Okay, as we get this package open, in the top link in the description box below will be this exact same foldable camping van life table where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done. They do make it in a couple of different sizes. Again, this is the 49-inch. And inside the little tag, as we can see right here, you do have some instructions. Piece it together. All right, let me give you a little heads up here. So these are attached to this little bracket here. This one slips into right here and you just buckle it in with these little pushed tabs right there. Now you're wondering about the feet. Same thing I was. So these go up to the mounts for the tabletop, but you flip it around like this and your legs go in right here and they're able to easily slip out with these little push tabs right here. You push that tab in, slips in, and then those are your feet on the opposite direction as the tabletop bracket. And then you flip it back around like this, and those feet are adjustable. I'll show you that in just a second. And then these are for your upper brackets for your tabletop there, and there as well. Okay, and then on the ends here, then we see these little clip-in tabs, and that is going to be for the underside of your table clipping in to this little ridge right here, as we can see down here at the edge, and then a little logo there on that side. So of course this folds out. I want to get a size for you here. So at the lowest setting, we're looking at about 16 inches and a half, about 16 and a half inches to the top in the lowest setting once again. Okay, and there is only two settings, and the top setting is just a hair under 21, like a 16th of an inch under 21 inches. I'd just say 21 to be safe. So again, two different sizes, looking absolutely fantastic for your needs, camping, van life. Very well constructed as well. It looks really sharp. Now the bag actually has two different compartments, which is really nice. One is larger, this one right here, for the foldable tabletop, and then all of your framing goes in this one here, zips up again with the handles pouch like we've already seen. And look at that, looking absolutely fantastic. Very nicely constructed as well. Okay, and don't forget, they also do come with these little hooks here with these little snaps, as we can see, just like this here. So I have one right here underneath the bottom here. Let's take a little closer look at that there. So these could go on any of the upper bars here, hooking in a grocery bag, a bag of avocados ripening in the sun, bananas, or you do have these little small itty bitty hooks here as well. So you could do it right there as well, as we can see right there. But I would probably just recommend, it looks a little bit more sturdier, putting it right here. Again, 4 of those, your grocery bags, your trash bag, your dog's food, you name it, with those little clasps, push-in buttons, as we can see right there. That's really cool. And let's go ahead and just show you a bottom look here from the bottom. Again, it's in the highest setting right now, coming to the middle bracket here. And again, this is the larger size in the 49-inch, but they do make a smaller size as well. Now that is very lightweight, but sturdy as well, because obviously that is aluminum. So this is a great size, in my personal opinion, for a small family. Even if you like a lot of stuff, you could even use this as a laptop table. I have my other camping chair out in the living room. It'd be perfect size. Get your Starlink out, van life. Pop that in the garage of your van, and that's what I'm looking forward to having this table for. Okay, as we can see here, so laptop's up, my camping chair, that is perfect to be able to lounge there, work on my laptop. I have 70 pounds. I got two 35-pound dumbbells on the table right now. So as you can see here, the sturdiness, again, 70 pounds total, plus the weight of the laptop there. Overall, that passes my test for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, top link in the description box below will be this camping table where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself. But like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, it helps the channel. I will see you on the next video. Subscribe for more videos like this, as well as DIY house related projects and more. We'll see you on the next one.